Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. By using this channel, you are in a best part of YouTube learning channel. So in this you can able to see so many max videos but based on learning itself. And along with the max videos, I'm creating some educational videos also along with the puzzles, and you have some fast max calculation tips. Nothing but if you want to score 100 out of 100, just follow those videos. Just follow my Be Inspired. Please share, like, comment in my channel. If you want more videos from my side, I just need your comments. So please keep writing your comments in the comment section. So today we are going to learn one fast max calculation tip, that is Vedic max. So by using this, what is a fast max calculation tip we are going to learn, that we'll see today. So what we are learning today? We are learning divide any two-digit number, divide any number with two digits in a simple and easy way. So for that I am going to show you an example of this question. What is the question I will take? I am just taking my own question. $26,79,502 divided by 43. So this is the question I just selected. I'm just going to increase the size of this. You can see it very clearly. So this is my question, and this question I will just give you 1 minute time. You just try to solve this question in your own way, like our own as usual method of writing the table, doing the calculations, finding the quotient. The ultimate goal is we are going to find the quotient. So first I'll show you the original procedure, and then we'll go for the what is the simple method I just want to explain, that I will show you. So as we all know that 43 table we will write here. 43 2s are 86, 3s are 129, 4s are 172, 5s are. So I'll just multiply like this. First I'll multiply 6 3s are 18 and carry 1 should be there in the mind. 6 4s are 24 plus carry 1 25. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 plus carry 2 30. And with 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 plus carry 2 is 34, sorry. And 9 3s are 27, carry should be 2, 9 4s are 36 plus 2 is 38. So by seeing this you can easily understand that 4360 is going to take minus 258. So as usual borrow 900 and go for the next digit 99. So 43 2s are 86. Now 135. 43 table 135 will not come. So 43 3s are 129. Of course borrow 600 and 60. 43 1s are 43. And borrow 10 and 5, 7 here, 1 here, and 2 will come here, 172. So 43 4s are 172. So my ultimate goal is now I have to get a quotient of 62,340. So this is the answer I got. So this is going to take more than a minute, right? Now without taking more than a minute, within seconds I'm just going to show you the answer. Okay, so the question is 26,79,502. 26,79,502 divided by 43. Now we are going to see the fastest way of doing this calculation. Very simple, you can do it very easily, no need to worry about this. So first we have the number is two-digit number. So just consider only one digit number, just leave this number as it is. So first we will multiply 4, like instead of multiplying with 43, multiplying with 4 is very easy. So 4 table 26, 4 6 are 24. After subtraction you will get a remainder of 2, so that 2 you write here. And now this is 27. So what you should do is, this is the number which we said, this you multiply with the quotient. 3 into 6, how much? 18. So what is this number? 27 minus 18, how much? 9. So that you should keep it in your mind. Now 4 table 9 when will come? 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 1. 19. So now 3 you should multiply with the next number. 3 2s are 6. So what is there here? 19 minus 6, how much? 13. So write the number there. Now multiply, now divide with 4. 4 3s are 12, the remainder is 1, 15. So 3 3s are 9. So subtract from that. 15 minus 9, 6. 4 table 6 when will come? 4 1s are 4. So the remainder is 2. Now 20. 3 1s are 3. 20 minus 3 is 17. So write that 17 over there. 4 4s are 16. What is the number will remain? 12. 3 4s are 12. Nothing but you will get here remainder 0. So when you got 0, the remainder will be 0. When you are getting 0 over there, the answer should be, the remainder is 0 and the division is going to be completed. See here, with the actual division we got 62,314 and here also I got 62,314, but with very less time. And this kind of calculations you are going to get in this channel to score full out of full marks. And that one more thing, what we can do with this is, when we are going for competitive exams, this kind of calculations are going to take very good part, play a vital role in time calculations, right? So that is the reason, please follow my channel, and at the same time you should keep writing comments in my channel. By that I can just go through the other videos and I'll develop other videos also. Now before going to this, I just want to go for next video also. I'm going to do one more division. So my next number is 73,922 divided by 23. So as usual, like the first number you are going to write. So here I am writing directly quotient. 2 3s are 6. So the remainder will be 1, 13. So 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. And 2 2s are 4. And the remainder is 0. So 3 2s are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 1s are 2. And the remainder is 1. 3 1s are 3. 12 minus 3 1s are 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 4s are 8. And remainder is 1. 3 4s are 12. The remainder will be, 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So the answer is 3,214. So let's check whether it is right or wrong with our usual method. Shall we go through the usual method? Okay, we will just find out through the calculator. I'll just open the calculator now. Seven 3,922 divided by 23. 3,214. Yes, do you got the answer? 3,214. Okay, now we will try one more question of our own division. Just by practicing each and every time, you are going to do it as early, as fast as possible. So just go through with so many problems and then you'll get the answers in a correct way. Okay, so we'll solve one more question based on this. 2,10,086 divided by 74. So the quotient will be 7 3s are 21 and 0 4 3s are 12. So what will happen? We will not have the negative remainder, so that is the reason we will go for the smallest one over here. So I'm just considering smallest one, that is 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 21 minus 14 is 7, 70. 4 2s are 8, 70 minus 8, 70 minus 8 is 62. 7 8s are 56, that is 6 again, the remainder is 60. 4 8s are 32, 60 minus 32, 8, 28. Again 7 4s are 28. So here again you are going to get a negative remainder, so that is the reason we will not take the exact one. So 7 3s are 21 and you will get 7, 78 you will get over here. 4 3s are 12, 78 minus 12, 66. 7 9s are 63 and the remainder is 3. 4 table 36, 4 9s are 36. So the remainder will be 0. So this is your quotient 2839. Let's find out with the calculator. 210086 divided by 74. So the answer is 2839. Is it clear? So in this way you are going to find out here. In this way, if you are going to try to solve each and everything, we will get it. See, that is the reason I just showed you the difference in this. When you are going to get negative remainder, that is not going to be happen in the division. So that is the reason we are going for lesser number and then we will go for the division as usual. Okay. Stay home, stay healthy, don't come outside. In case if it is necessary, only come outside, and please follow SMS. SMS is nothing but sanitization, M for mask, and again S for social distance. Please follow the SMS and be happy. Thank you for watching. Please comment in my channel to improve my channel.